the mobile business for the last 2 years and have been fortunate to serve 160 plus clients and help them with the mobile requirement. Today I'm here for a very specific product that we're going to talk about, which we call MGod. So you must have seen a lot of presentations since morning and you're going to see it again. Let me take you through a story of Mr. Sharma. This story will have heroes, villains, superheroes. So Mr. Sharma is an ordinary man. He loves his work, is doing great professionally, also spends time with his family. How does he manage to do that? He is actually using mobile apps to empower himself, go home early, spend time with his family. He could be a salesman who has a mobile app using which he can find customer details, payment history, and even make orders and placements from his mobile phone. What happens is he is doing his work faster and better. At the same time, the company benefits because it is getting information on real time, which enables them to make decisions faster. He could be a doctor. So we work with a lot of pharma companies and we've done a lot of apps for doctors, which brings to the point that doctors now want to schedule their day, send reminders to patients, and ensure that patient history is in their mobile phone. So now patients are happy because they don't need to carry those files they used to earlier carry because the records are already there with the doctor. And doctors are happy because they manage the time well. Service agents. So typically a service agent would be someone who comes to your place to repair your water coolers or does the pest control at your place. So at the current modus operandi, these agents have to go to the office to collect a list of places that they want to visit, customer details, and then only they can start their work. Wouldn't it be great if they have a mobile application from which the company pushes the details on their mobile phone? So they no longer need to go to the office every day. They can get all the information on their hand. Mr. Sharma could be a restaurant owner. So as a trend, you will see a lot of people are introducing tablet-based menu card applications. What happens in this is, when you go to a restaurant of a 5-star or 4-star, people will be able to know more about the food items that they wish to order, and they can place an order right from the tablet itself. What happens is two things. The restaurant owner saves a lot of cost in printing, plus it eliminates the cost of waiters as well. So people are getting a richer experience of dining here. And Mr. Sharma could be a citizen of India who wants with some help from the government. So government can do a beautiful job by having an app which can be used for citizens to report crime, accidents, other unfortunate events. So it can be as simple as an app wherein if I see a particular incident or an accident, I can just click a photo of it. I can just write a small description of what has happened and I can send it. Based on my location, it goes to the nearest police station or it goes to the nearest fire brigade. So even if we are able to stop one crime using an app like this, is really worth it. So an honest request so it's very difficult for companies like us to go to government. So if there are representatives, an app like this, so we've always taken population as hazardous. Let's use our 1 billion population, let's use their eyes to make citizen journalism better go. So there are obvious villains why people are not happy and not using and adopting the mobile apps. Villain, let's see them. One, I don't have the expertise, I don't know how to program an app, how will I use it? Two, it's going to cost me a lot of money. A, I spend a lot of money to make an app. B, so it's a continuously changing business scenario. Anytime I make changes or modifications to my app, I'll have to spend again. C, I don't even know how much time is it going to take for me to make an app. D, it's going to be complex. I don't understand. My field staff, my sales executives, the people in the rural area are not very educated. We're not pretty sure whether they will be able to use the app and use it to the best. Which brings me to our product for tonight, which is called MGod. So as a company, we've always believed and that it's our responsibility to make it easy for enterprises as well as end consumers to adopt mobility in way better. So at the forefront, let me tell you, MGod is not an application. It's not a specific application. It's a platform that empowers users to create any application that they want. So the best part about it is you can create completely customized mobile application. It's going to be as per your users. So one of the villains that I've talked about is I don't know the expertise, how will I make it? This is for everyone. So it's going to be a drag and drop thing, where if I want to make an application to register my travel expenses, I just drag certain field elements, I drop it, and the application is ready. And the best part is, it takes 10 minutes flat for anyone to make a standard mobile application. That's the power of mGod. So this is how the screen looks like. So there are 3 steps to making a mobile application. One, you get a web platform. Using the web platform, you create a mobile application. Next minute, once you're done with it, you submit and you get an SMS on your phone, which gives you a download link for the application, and you can start downloading and using it. So on the left-hand side, you'll see a tools section. We got 50 plus tools in terms of features that you can enable or empower your mobile app with. Next. So let's see how do we create a report incident app. So all you need to do is select the first header, then you write a text column where you can actually include details in terms of what is the incident you've seen. You can also have a browse multimedia feature where if I see something, I can also take a video or a photo of something and instantly report it to the relevant authority. And the best part, it also acts as documented proof. What happens is generally when there are crimes or accidents, there's no documented proof. So having a richer media ensures that everything is documented and it goes to the right people at the right time. The authorities are alerted at the right time. So all you need to do is once you click on submit, you get an SMS on your phone which tells you that, oh, this is a mobile app that you've just created. Why don't you download it and start using it? You just click on it. This is how the mobile app will look. All you need to do is, if I'm moving across, I see a fight between a rickshawala and a couple of other guys, I just click a snap, send it, automatically things goes to my nearest police station. Next. So I'll share a case study of a company that we're working very closely with. It's called the Boon Foundation. So Boon basically is into the business of selling and servicing products in the rural areas. And the products includes solar heaters, solar water purifiers, sanitary pads. And they had 2 big challenges. One, what they do is they distribute products with the help of network of entrepreneurs. So they go to certain villages. They current 40 villages right now. They go to these villages and they train one individual from the village to be able to sell their products and merchandise. That's the products immediately. Next. That's it from my side. These are my contact details. I'm in Delhi for the next 2 days. Would like to catch up with as many people as possible. There's a small thing for Android lovers. We've recently ventured into consumer apps and we've launched one more app called Agastya, which kind of allows you to take remote control of your Android device. This is apparently the only app of its kind in the world where even if I've forgotten my phone at my place, I can still come to office and access my missed calls, messages received, turn my phone to silent and receive. Please go ahead, download it. It's free of cost. Thank you very much. Questions, anyone? Yes. Yes, sir. It will cost you a meal per month per user. So we've
May I just intervene? Would you just sort of...
Yes. So we are, to make it, to reduce the friction for people to adopt it, we've kept it as a SaaS model, where we charge per user per month, and it's going to be a meal per month, so not much. Pardon me? It's going to cost close to one meal per month, range between 300 to 500 bucks. Thank you. Is it a 5-star meal or normal? It's a normal dhaba meal, don't worry.